Happy Hobbit, we're about to prove just how famous we are. Here comes a trainload of people that we don't even know, and they're gonna wave at us and be excited just because we're famous.
Oh, we're so famous.
Here it comes. It's like the Hogwarts Express.
Keely, are you lying? Where are they?
You don't hear that dragon approaching?
Thought that was just Smaug's gas.
There it is, there it is. I hope they have a good view of us.
Hiding in the bushes is definitely a good view.
Yep. Oh, that's true, we should be by the sun front. Caboose. You can never forget the caboose.
We never forget Smaug's caboose.
There you have it, folks.
That's how famous we are.
Take a shot of it.
D says we have to both hobbits, and
You might be able to see it behind us, folks. May or may not, I'm not sure.
That might have actually been a lie. We don't know who any of those people are, and they don't know who we are.
I thought I might have recognized one face, but
I did. I saw one person I knew, and I don't know if she recognized us. But that's actually the phenomenon of when certain humans are on trains and other humans wave, they all just wave back. So you pretend you're famous.
What if they weren't all humans?
Or dwarves? I don't know if dwarves and
They
elves
could have
do
been
it.
orcs cosplaying as humans.
Dwarves probably chuck axes at people.